The National Cleaner Production Centre South Africa aims to empower industry through this instructional video series. Resource Efficient and Cleaner Production, or RECP, offers a range of preventative strategies and methodologies which, when applied continuously to products, processes and services, will increase efficiency and reduce resource use. Resource Efficient and Cleaner Production is about doing more with less. It's also a simple way of proactively preventing waste as opposed to trying to recycle, recover, or treat waste and pollutants once they're created. The approach firstly targets the low-hanging fruits, opportunities that don't require extensive capital investment. This creates quick wins that can be realized by the company to build confidence that the concept works and create buy-in from key decision makers to commit the required resources and budgets for more capital-intensive options. To get a business started on implementing RECP, there are a number of simple and low or no-cost interventions. Identifying human behaviors that can be changed through awareness raising, like switching off lights and equipment when it's not needed, switching off running compressors, cooling towers or steam systems that are running even when a plant is closed, using dry sweeping or high-pressure spray instead of washing with running water and open-ended hose pipes. These interventions can be as simple as showing employees the benefits of shutting off a switch or a series of switches. Then there are, of course, opportunities for process and technological improvements. Interrogate the process operation. This stage should be undertaken with someone who has a good understanding of the process and has the authority to request changes. The trick here is to ask why, and again why. This interrogative approach starts testing the broader understanding of why production processes are being done in a particular manner, but is still targeting the way the process is being run and how it compares to other similar processes and industries. These are typically opportunities that may require some minor adjustments or low to medium cost interventions to achieve the change. Very often, these can be incorporated into the maintenance budget costs: valves, drive belts, water or air or steam leaks, steam or compressor pressure optimization, etc. The next step would be technology changes. These options typically involve capital investment. This requires an intense understanding of the process and current budget constraints. Any investigation needs to be supported with an appropriate business case. This is required to ensure success for securing the required capital. Ideally, these options should be considered once the behavioral and process operation opportunities have been addressed. This ensures we design for end user need and not for system inefficiencies. The NCPC-SA's early assessment of an industrial and household chemical manufacturing plant is a great example to show the effectiveness of RECP. Once the company's production process was assessed, it was identified that the final product filling line was not controlled or accurately measured. The filling of the containers was done manually by visual inspection. Depending on the operator, this resulted in either over or underfilling. When this process step was assessed, it was calculated that on average, overfilling exceeded 10%. When analyzed in more detail, this translated into a loss of product and revenue amounting to 1 month's production output. The two solution options for this challenge that were proposed were: purchase a balance to weigh the dispensed amount, or modify the current dispensing system to allow the required quantity to be discharged into the packaging containers. Both solutions presented relatively low-cost options to the company. Having a spare balance on-site proved the most cost-effective option and was subsequently adopted. The result? Product, time, and financial savings, as well as improved output efficiencies. Resource-efficient and cleaner production improves production efficiency, profitability, and environmental compliance. It represents a win-win strategy for industries, the environment, and surrounding communities. Also, it's easier than you may think. Watch the RECP assessment process video to find out how to implement the first steps of RECP. The National Cleaner Production Centre South Africa is a program of the Department of Trade and Industry, hosted at the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. For more information, visit www.ncpc.co.za.